Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to do the second flight ever of the Tasman. Last time, flew this plane on its maiden. Boy, it was windy as all get out and didn't really get a good feel for us. So let's try it on this wonderful day. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder.
Takeoff flaps.
We got flaps. Got no wind today, so takeoff flaps might be a good idea. Barely any elevator input at all. Not bad. I knew this plane would be a joy to fly on a calm day. It's got a nice roll rate on it. Just a slight bit of wind out of the south, or out of the, feels like it's coming out of the west. Now this plane doesn't have any kind of stabilization or gyro or anything like that.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
So let's take her. Let's see if we can't get a landing out of this bad boy here.
Landing flaps.
Up. I'm going to have to work a, definitely going to have to work a mix in, because she does want a balloon.
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Takeoff flaps.
There we go. All right, I'm definitely gonna have to work up a flap mix because she wants to really balloon. So let's go in here. All right, I'm gonna have to, let's pause this video for right now and let's go in the shade real quick to where we can see. Motor's off. Let's go in there and see if we can't work out a little bit of mix. Okay. All right, so let's go down. What you gonna do? You wanna go to your function list, go down to flap. All right, for takeoff flaps, let's go with 15% down elevator. Let's go with 25%. We'll try it. We'll try that for a mix and see how that goes. So for takeoff flaps, I did 15% down elevator. We'll see how that does. All right, let me take flaps off.
Landing flaps.
Still wants to balloon, but not nearly as bad.
3 minutes.
Yeah, not nearly as bad. Now I'm running a 2700.
Flaps up.
I'm running a 2700 roaring top
Landing flaps.
4S in there. There. Ah, not bad at all, not bad at all. I think I'm going to have to put a little more in there though, because she still wanted to balloon. Let's go with 20% on takeoff, down elevator, and we'll try 35%. All right, get her turned around here. All right, let's see how, boy, it's scrappy, isn't it?
Landing flaps. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Oh yeah, that flat mix works great. That's a good flat mix there. She's not ballooning on me.
Landing flaps.
Yeah, not ballooning on me at all. Okay, so that's it. You're going to want 25% down elevator for takeoff
Time remaining 2.
and 35% down elevator for landing. All right.
Flaps up.
Boy, scrappy. Scrappy, scrappy, scrappy. I think this plane, though, does better with a little bit bigger of a battery in it. Like I said, I'm running a 2700. Got a minute and 45. All right, we'll try
Flaps.
takeoff flaps here.
Landing flaps.
I'll tell you what, when you get a plane trimmed in right, boy, they fly so wonderful.
Flaps up. Time remaining 1 minute. Landing flaps.
All right.
Flaps up.
Well, there you go, folks. That is the second flight ever of the X-Fly Tasman. Great handling. Yeah, I'll tell you, I'm quite impressed with the plane. Quite impressed. All right, folks, there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Fat Guy Flies RC saying see you later.